Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
So Jared and I found this like DIY patio furniture on YouTube. So we thought we would try it. Ignore the messy kitchen right now. I'm just making us a couple of matcha lattes so we have some energy to do this project. And yeah, so yesterday, oh, that's the microwave. So yesterday we already measured the wood and we started to make cuts on it. I'll link down below the video that we're using to make this, but today we're gonna hopefully finish. I don't know, we're gonna try and do all the wood cuts. Jared's nodding like we're gonna finish, but you know, it's good to be flexible. If things get busy, then we won't finish, but it's okay. We both have today off, so we thought we would make use of that time and hopefully make like a nice, what are you doing? A nice patio setup outside. What? Because that's one thing, it's like a project on our list. We are gonna do like a little renovation. We're doing something in the interior with the fireplace, maybe some shelves, and then outside we're gonna try and make a cute little oasis so we can enjoy the outdoor space this summer. So I'm gonna take you guys along, wish us luck, and yeah, hopefully it goes well. You can stop filming. After a few hours, we have the first couch piece done. We did like a bit of a modified design. We put some bars on the back and on the sides there. But yeah, it's looking really good. So now we just have the ottoman to go and we'll sand it. And yeah, I think we'll be done. Up the build today, which is great. We just have to fill in all the little screw holes with wood fill, and then tomorrow I think we're gonna sand the whole thing down, but it looks pretty good. So yeah, we're happy with it, and it took a long time, so I'm glad it turned out well. Yesterday we finished most of the construction of the couch, and today we're just gonna be sanding them down. We did some wood fill on top of the screws so that hopefully we'll get like a really nice smooth surface. So we're gonna sand that down again today. Started to try and find some planters. I might be borrowing some old ones from my parents or sister's houses that they're not using at all. So we'll do that. Our table that we ordered from Target came today. We tried to like make the bigger pieces because you know they're like higher quality and hopefully will last longer, but for smaller things like a table, we just ordered them from Target. We got cushions from Target that should be coming today, and then cushions from IKEA for the bottom of it. That won't come until June 12th, so in a few weeks. Kind of a bummer, but I think everyone's working on their backyard right now, so a lot of things are back ordered. Yeah, so hopefully we can get that all finished. I might make some planters today. I've been watching YouTube videos of how to make them all morning with like the remainder of the wood that we have, so that should be fun. And yeah, that's sort of the update for today. Our cushions just arrived from Target, and I'm really hoping that there's more than one in each box, but we only ordered 8, so my guess is there's one in each box, and they're tiny little pillows. So this is just like a complete waste of packaging. Sadly, it is what I assumed, which is that there's just one tiny pillow in this huge box. It is such a waste of packaging. I just finished unpacking all those boxes, and I think we're actually gonna keep the boxes for another move because we need boxes for our next move, since the last ones we used had like 3 or 4 moving trips on them. So anyway, these are the pillows. I have about 6 of them now. There should be 2 more coming. So there'll be a total of 8 of these. They're from Target. They're really cute. They're indoor, outdoor, and they're from the Joanna Gaines collection. I just thought they were nice. Yeah, they look really nice quality. And they are nice and firm, so I think they'll be good for back support. Actually, the next morning / afternoon, yesterday we did so much sanding. It ended up being like an all-day project to get all the edges round and nice and everything looking good. So it was a bit intense, definitely the most labor-intensive part of this project, but they look great. I'm so excited to show them to you guys. And right now we're just power washing the patio so we can start to position things where we want them, but we still have cushions and a rug and a few other bits and bobs that are coming before we set everything up. Jared is power washing, as I just mentioned, so hopefully we'll get the concrete looking a lot nicer. We originally wanted to like maybe try and find some deck tiles or something to put out here, but I don't think that's in our budget this time, so we're just trying to make it look as nice as possible. We're gonna get a big rug. So the rug just arrived that we ordered. We tried to take advantage of all the like Memorial Day sales that had started before the weekend. Everything's been coming really fast, which is great. So we ordered this really pretty rug and now we're just gonna start moving the furniture pieces so we can put it down. Like things are coming together. I also forgot to mention we got this like little sunshade thing. It's called a coolaroo. It just attaches to the house and the fence just so that we get a little bit more shade, which is really nice on days like this. So it's very warm. This rug is actually very pretty. It's that something 62 brand. It's like a woven material and it goes nicely with everything. The same thing, oh, Project 62, and the same thing with the table. So now we're really just waiting on a few more cushions and then we'll have an outdoor area. I have no idea how many days later it is. It is so windy outside right now, so if you guys can hear that, that is what's going on because I have the door open. But it's June 12th, June 11th. Is anyone else losing track of the days? Our cushions came, yay! I was so nervous about them because we worked so hard on the couch and I was worried that they wouldn't fit, but let me show you guys. They just arrived from IKEA. It was a bit of a process ordering them, unfortunately, because obviously things are closed right now. We had to pay a really expensive shipping fee, and then we had to wait like a month to get them, but they arrived safe and sound. They look perfect. I still have to unpack them and put the covers on, but I'm gonna wait to do that because we're trying not to like touch a lot of packaging, or if we get packages, we're trying to let it sit for a little while just to be on the safer side. So I have them outside just kind of laid out in the formation, but let me show you guys, and then tomorrow it's gonna be Saturday, so I'll put them on and then we'll get to enjoy all the work that we've done outdoors. So again, apologies for the wind, but here are the cushions. They look so good. This is the name of them. They're 24 and I think 3/8 by 20.3/8, and they fit perfectly along here. There's a little bit of a tight spot right here, so I don't know what we're gonna do with that. Maybe we'll try and like position it in. Anyway, and then these are the covers, so they come separately. And there actually wasn't any additional packaging, which I thought was kind of cool because IKEA stuff usually comes with a ton of cardboard and a ton of packaging, but not this. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so good. I'm so excited to put these covers on. So I'm putting this video together and I'm realizing I never really did an outro. I just like showed you guys what the final product is. So after we did the IKEA cushions, we enjoyed them obviously for a while, and then we started to have kind of socially distanced gatherings with people in our backyard, which was so nice to get to see friends and family again. So we separated the couches, which is what I'm about to show you. We did like a socially distanced barbecue for Father's Day with Jared's dad. So I'm going to show you guys that right now, but we've been super happy with our couches. We love it. We're spending so much time outdoors. We still have to do like landscaping and figure out the planter boxes. That was a project that we didn't get to, but we love the couches, and yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. We also went around the neighborhood and to my parents' house and sister's houses, and we took stuff that they didn't want. So we have a couple of planter boxes that I can use, And then also we got a barbecue out of it. My parents had like an old barbecue covered in their backyard and they didn't want it, so they asked if we did, and it's so cute and it's green, and yeah, we love it and we've used it a few times. So we're really happy with the outdoor space and I'm excited to show you guys. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed something a little bit different. Let me know, is this a project that you would take on? I feel like it was a great long weekend project, so if you have one coming up, maybe you'll consider it. Like I said, I'll have the original video that we followed linked down below so you guys can check that out and make it to your dimensions and all that. But if you have questions, let me know. I can do my best to answer. We're definitely not craftsmen, but I think it turned out really well and we're really happy with it. So I hope this was fun. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you next week. Bye!